Hi everyone, this is Starry. In this class, we will see ninth problem from exercise 2.7, chapter numbers and sequence. So let's go into the video. Here in ninth problem, in a GP, the product of three consecutive terms. Three consecutive term means three consecutive term equal to three consecutive term is a by r comma a comma ar. It is three consecutive term of GP. Then the product of three consecutive term is 27. So multiplication of these three is 27. So a by r into a into ar be 27. So let's cancel r here. So we have a into a cube equal to, let's take this 27 as 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, we can have this. So cube get cancelled, a equal to 3. Okay, here we have found. Then it is said the sum of the product two term taken at a time. We have three term, we have to take two terms and we have to add that. So two terms, these two terms and these two terms. Okay, taken every separate two terms, and the sum of that two multiplication of product of two terms will give 57. That means, see here, a by r, this term, into a, second term, we have taken two terms. Okay, two terms, sorry, multiplication plus, we have taken first two terms plus second two terms a into ar, and we have plus, we have taken first and three terms, two terms. Okay, a by r into ar. Okay, so let can take a into a square by r. Okay, then plus we have a into a square into r, so a square r, plus we will cancel r here, we have r square. So all values have a square, so let's take a square as common. Okay, by, if you take common, it remains 1 by r plus 1, because we have taken a square common, so remaining we have written here. Okay, the value of this will be 57 by 2. It is given the product, sum of the product two terms taken at a time is 57. So 57 by 2, so equal to, this is 57 by 2. Okay, 57 by 2. Then 57 by 2 as it is, and a square we have 3, so a square can be 3 into 3 is a square value written here. So let's take a decimal is common, so if we take common, we have to multiply this two value into r. So plus r square, r into r square, plus 1 into r is r. Okay, so let's divide this. 3 ones are 319 times. Okay, we have 2 here. If we take 2 on that side, multiply with 3, you will get 6. Here we have 19, and 6 into 3 to the 6. Okay, 1 plus r square plus r by r. So let's take this r and multiply with 19, cross multiply. So we have, here we have, and this 6 multiply inside. Okay, for all these three. So 6 into 1, 6 plus 6 into r square, 6r square, 6 into r plus 6r equal to, r goes this side means 19r. Okay, let's take this also this side. 6 plus 6r square plus 6r, if plus 19 comes here, minus 19r equal to, there is no value there, so we'll write as 0. So we will take this as quadratic equation. 6r square plus 6r minus 19r is minus 13r. 19 minus 6 is minus 13r. Okay, so plus we have 6 here. So we need to find the value of r. Then only we will substitute in this, we will get. So r value we need to find. So we will take a factorization. The rules of factorization is, if we take any two number and add that, that should be equal to minus 13, and that same number if we multiply, that should be get 6 into 6, which is 36. The same number if you multiply, that should be get 36. So the number will be minus 9 and minus 4. Okay, so minus 9 minus 4, if we add, we will get minus 13. Okay, that same number minus 9 into minus 4, minus into minus, plus 9 4s are 36, we will get 36. Okay, then we have 6 here, we will divide by 6. So 2 times 3 2s are 3 3s are, so we will divide this by 2 table. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. Okay, so we have r minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. This is separate. Okay, 2 equal to 0, r minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. Then r, if we go this that time, that side, and this at that side, we'll find r equal to 3 by 2. Okay, and here we have r equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then we have a value also. A value already we found, a equal to 3. Okay, we have this. By using this, we will find this. Okay, so we need to find a by r, comma a, comma ar. First we will take a, we know it is 3. Then we have two r values, so we will substitute 2 also. So first we will take this value, 3 by 2, r equal to 3 by 2. Then in place of a we will write 3 by, we have 3 by 2, 3 by 2, comma the value of a we have 3. Okay, then a into 3, then 3 into 3 by 2 for this r, and for this r we have a by 3, a we know, and r value is 2 by 3, comma a value we know 3, a value 3 into, we have this r, so 2 by 3. Okay, so from this, if we take above, we will get 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 3 get cancelled, remain here 2. So 3 as it is, we will take 3. Here we have 3 into 3, 9 by 2, 9 by 2. So 3 terms we got. If r equal to 3 by 2, then we got 3 term, 2, 3 and 9 by 2. Okay, if we take this above, 3 into 3 by 2, this will be reciprocal. Here we have 3, 3 3 get cancelled, we have 2 here. Okay, 3 into 3, 9 by 2 as it is, 3 here and 2. Okay, if the r value is 3 by 2, you will get this consecutive term. If the r value is 2 by, r value is 2 by 3, then we will find this 3 consecutive term. We need to substitute r value and a value in this. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends and leave a comment. I will post my videos often, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.